Birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Sian. Always be a good boy, Sian. Happy birthday. Mommy Rox love you. And Tita Maria love you.
Happy birthday, Sian. God bless you. Pero tayo po dyan. Pagpunta mo kayo sa bahay nila, Mama Ben. Bye-bye.
Hi, Sian! Happy 5th birthday! Be a good boy to your mommy and to your daddy. Keep up the good work to your study, Sian. Again, Sian, happy 5th birthday from Teacher Kat.
Hi, Sian! Happy birthday! So, yan, ang wish ko is, sana maging mas mabait ka pang bata and wishing you and your family a good health. And see you on January personally.
Hi Sian, happy birthday. Lagi kang magbabait ha. And yung gift ko, eto na. Oh. Joke lang ha. Save mo tong video na to ha. Pag uwi ko may gift ka sa akin, okay? Sige. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sian. Happy 5th birthday. Enjoy your birthday. I know your parents gonna do everything just to celebrate your birthday and make you happy. And be a good boy when you grow up and stay handsome and humble. Lagi ka lang may kinig kay mama mo and kay papa and be good, best na lang. Best, kuya, kay Senaya, lang, and, Nina always be here for you. I love you. I miss you. Take care, cause I care. Bye-bye.
Hi, Sian! Happy birthday! Big boy ka na. Susunod ka lagi sa mama at papa mo. And always be a good boy, study hard, and alagaan mo ang baby sister mo. Bawi si Ninang next time. See you soon! Happy birthday!
Hi Sia, Ninang Abby. Happy 5th birthday. Prayer ko for you is may the Lord give you wisdom always, lalo na sa online schooling mo. And I pray that the Lord will give you good health, hindi ka magkakasakit. I know that you are growing up to be a good boy to your parents, bringing joy to them, at hindi kulit. I know that you will also be the best kuya to your little sister. So I hope that you're enjoying your day. I know that your parents will do their best to make this day extra special. So happy birthday ulit. God bless you. Ninang Abby loves you. Bye.
Hi Sian, happy birthday to you. I hope we could see each other soon kapag sobrang okay na lahat. And I'm praying for good health and good grades sa pag-aaral. I know you're doing good sa school and continue to do that. And I know that you're also a good kuya to your baby sister and a sweet and loving son to your mommy and daddy. So enjoy your day and I hope that we could see each other soon. Happy birthday! I love you! Bye!
Hi C, this is Ninang Eliza. Happy 5th birthday. I pray you become a wonderful boy. Always love and obey your parents, also your sister. Study hard, but play harder. I love you.
Hello, Sia. This is Nina Honey, wishing you a magical birthday and good health. I hope you continue to be a good kid so you turn out to be a good man someday. Again, enjoy your birthday. Love you.
Dear Sian, I may not able to give you the best gift today, but my thoughts and wishes are with you on this special day. Happy birthday. Take care. God bless. And be a good boy. Okay? Kita-kitit soon. Bye.
Happy birthday, Sian. Stay healthy. God bless. Love ka ni Ninong.
Hi, Sian. Happy birthday. Enjoy mo yung araw mo. And more birthdays to come and more blessings to come. Makikinig ka lang lagi kay mama at saka kay papa mo, ha? Kay papa wag na masyado, pero kay mama okay na. Sige. Tapos, makinig ka lang sa amin pati kay Ninong Toto mo, sa amin ni Ninong Toto mo na wag kang gagaya kay papa mo, ha? Paglaki mo. Okay, bye-bye. Love you.
Happy birthday, Sian. Sana lumaki kang mabuti, huwag kang magmamana sa tatay mo. Ano yung tatay mo eh? Ayoko nang sabihin. Alamin mo na lang paglaki mo, ha? Okay, enjoy your birthday. Bye-bye!
Hi, Sian. Happy birthday sa'yo. Hiling ko, lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos, maging magalang, at marespetong bata. Lagi mo susundin ang mga utos sa'yo ni Mama at ni Papa. Pakatandaan mo na mahal ka namin lahat. Happy birthday!